Okay, significant figures. Significant figures basically are in a measurement. It's all the numbers you can read, all the known numbers that you can read from that instrument, plus one digit that's estimated. These significant figures depend on the accuracy of that instrument that's being used. Some instruments are more accurate than others, and that's why sig figs are so important. There are several rules for how you count and what you include in sig figs. Here are at least 3 of the rules. First, leading zeros. Leading zeros are not significant. The 0 here is just merely a placeholder. Even if I had 0.0421, I would still only have 3 sig figs. If I had 0.000421, I would still only have 3 sig figs. These zeros are not significant. Captive zeros are significant. Zeros that are in between 2 non-zero digits are counted. So there's 4 sig figs here. Even if I had a number that looked like this, all these zeros in between are significant. Or if I had something like this, these zeros are also significant. They are still between 2 non-zero digits. Trailing zeros are significant only if a decimal point is present. If I had 114.20, or I do have that, there's 5 sig figs there. If I had a number 11420, like 11,420, I would only have 4 sig figs. That zero would not be significant. If I have 144000, I only have 3 sig figs. These zeros are not significant. But if I were to put a decimal point behind that last 0, then all of these numbers become significant. I would have 6 significant figures. How many sig figs do you see in this first one? Well, there is 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4. This 0 is not significant because it is a trailing 0. How many sig figs in this number? There are 4. This is significant, a little smiley face there, because there is a decimal point present. Decimal points being present with trailing zeros make them significant. So you have 4 and 4. If you look at these numbers over here on Einstein's chalkboard, they all have 3 sig figs. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Even there's a 0 there and a 0 here, those zeros are not counted because they are leading zeros. The number of significant digits is independent of that decimal point. So let's try a couple. Let's see what we can do this. So let's say we have 100.240. How many sig figs would be there? Well, there would be 6. These zeros are significant because they're in between 2 non-zero digits. This number is significant because it is following a decimal point and following a non-zero digit. What about this number here? How many sig figs would be there? It would only be 3. This is not significant because there is no decimal point. It is a trailing 0, so there's only 3 sig figs there. What if I have 0.00102? There are only 3 sig figs here. These zeros are not significant. They are leading zeros. There are only 3 sig figs present. What if I have 1004.0? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sig figs. This 0 is significant. It is following a decimal point and it is following a non-zero digit. These are captured zeros. They are both significant.